Welcome to another English practice session. Today, we'll follow a bit more of Sam's routine. A dedicated professional focused on organizing his day and overcoming work challenges. This video is Level 2, ideal for those advancing in their English learning. As you watch, take a moment to note any words you don't understand. It'll help you track your progress and strengthen your vocabulary. Ready to begin? Let's get started.
Good morning. Time to get started. I always start my day with a hot cup of coffee. It helps me wake up and focus. Let's check the tasks for today. It's important to stay organized, so I'll answer the most urgent emails first. Communication is key, especially when working with a team. I have a meeting with Mr. Green today at 10 a.m. We need to discuss the new marketing strategy. I need to finish this sales report before the meeting. It's important to present everything clearly. Our sales are doing well, but I need to suggest a few improvements in the marketing strategy. I need to make sure I have all the documents ready. Mr. Green always likes to see data and facts. Double-checking everything is essential. It's better to be over-prepared than under-prepared. A clean desk helps me focus better. I'll discuss the positive feedback we've received from our clients and present new ideas for improving our sales. A quick break helps me stay refreshed. It's important to stay updated on all the projects, even the ones that aren't my responsibility. I always keep some snacks in my drawer. A quick snack gives me the energy I need to stay productive. It's always nice to share ideas with friends from other companies. Sometimes we can learn from each other. I try to drink a lot of water during the day. Staying hydrated is important. I need to check the project deadlines and make sure we're on track. We can't afford any delays. Everything needs to be aligned. If one thing is delayed, it can affect the entire team. I love working in a team. It feels great to see everyone working hard. I need to focus now. There's still a lot to get done before the end of the day. The current campaigns are good, but there's always room for improvement. I should organize a meeting with the marketing team to go over my ideas. We need to make sure everyone is on the same page before we move forward. I need to understand the financial side of things to make informed decisions. I need to address these discrepancies before I share the report. Accuracy is key. Everything needs to be perfect before I present it. It's better to fix mistakes now than later. A little break and some coffee should help me power through the rest of the day. Let's get the presentation ready. I want to make sure everything is clear and engaging. It's always good to keep an eye on the company's social media channels. We need to stay on top of the latest trends. It's important to know what's going on in the market, especially with our competitors. I like to be well organized before any meeting. It helps me feel more confident. Let's see what's left for the day. I need to make sure everything is on track. I can't afford to miss any deadlines. Everything needs to be done on time. All right, it's time for the meeting. Let's see what ideas the team has come up with. The meeting went well, but there's always room for improvement in our strategy. I'll prioritize the most important tasks and create a timeline for our next steps. The numbers need to be accurate. I don't want any surprises when I share this with the management team. I should double-check these numbers. Better safe than sorry. It's important to stay on top of emails, even at the end of the day. I don't want to leave anything pending. Today was productive. We made a lot of progress, but tomorrow is another day with new challenges. I always like to leave the office prepared for the next day. A little organization now saves time tomorrow. Every day is a new opportunity to improve and learn something new. I'm ready for tomorrow. Bring it on.
This concludes another day in Sam's journey. Each step in his work is a new opportunity for growth and learning. Now it's your turn to keep practicing and strengthening your English. And get ready. In the next episode, we'll follow a new story full of challenges and vocabulary to further expand your knowledge. This is a Level 2 difficulty video, ideal for those advancing in English comprehension. Now, let's assess your progress. During the video, Did you note the words you didn't understand? Let's find out how you did. If you had questions about 30% or fewer of the 702 words, that is 210 words or less, you're at the advanced level of Level 2. Congratulations! Keep practicing. You're on a great path. If you didn't understand 50% of the words, about 351 words, you're at the intermediate level of Level 2. You're progressing well, and with more practice, you'll advance even further. If you didn't understand 75% or more of the words, about 527 words or more, you're at the beginner level of Level 2. Keep watching videos, noting new vocabulary, and you'll see great progress over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content and practice.